Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be performing a V-groove but welding process on a 10mm thick steel plate. This is one of the most common welding methods used in heavy steel fabrication because it allows for deep penetration and a very strong weld. First, let's consider the material. Here we have two 10mm thick steel plates. For steel this thick, simple surface welding is often insufficient to achieve maximum strength. That's why we need to bevel both edges into a V shape before welding. Before starting the welding process, we also carefully clean the steel surface. Removing rust and dirt, a clean surface helps create a better weld quality and reduces welding defects. Next, we begin grinding the edges into V-grooves. The bevel angle must be even on both sides so that the weld can penetrate deeply into the joint. Proper groove preparation is one of the most important steps in this welding method. After grinding the V-groove, the two steel plates are aligned. A weld bead gap of about 2 to 3 millimeters is left between the two plates. This gap improves penetration during welding. Then, several spot welds are made along the joint to hold the two steel plates together. Now the welding process begins. The first weld layer is the most important because it forms the foundation for the entire weld. In this step, the welder must carefully control the arc length, travel speed, and welding current to achieve complete penetration without burning the steel. After completing the first weld layer, all slag is thoroughly cleaned using a slag hammer and wire brush. Cleaning between weld layers is crucial because trapped slag can reduce weld strength and create internal defects. Once the surface is clean, additional weld layers are welded layer by layer to completely fill the V-groove. Each weld layer must be smooth and evenly distributed before proceeding to the next. To achieve better welding results, always maintain a stable arc, carefully clean the slag after each weld, and use a current intensity appropriate for the material thickness. Finally, we complete the overlay weld, also known as the final cover weld. A good overlay weld needs to be smooth, even, and consistent throughout the weld. This final layer not only improves the appearance of the weld, but also increases its strength and protection. Thank you for watching today's welding project. If you enjoy videos about welding and metalworking, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more professional welding content.